Hello everyone, in today's video, I put together interviews with foreign visitors in Asakusa about their favorite products and foods to recommend. Asakusa is full of amazing places, so I'm excited to hear what they will share. So let's get started. Thanks for coming to Japan.
Thank you for having me.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia,
Which part of Australia are you from?
from Sydney.
When did you arrive to Japan?
I arrived in April.
It's actually very long.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
a student here.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
So you are studying Japanese.
I am.
How's the Japanese going?
It's going okay.
Do I better speak in Japanese?
I'm not very good.
No, no problem. ここに住んでますか？
今、田端に住んでいます。
お、めちゃくちゃ上手ですね。
やばいね。
すごい。
日本語を勉強したいだから。
Why did you come to Asakusa today?
I wanted to eat the melon pan ice cream.
Is this a famous here?
My friend recommended it to me
Yeah.
and says it's really good, so I've been wanting to eat it.
I'd like to ask how the taste like.
Yeah.
Thanks.
No
Yeah.
worries.
Yeah.
サクサク。So really,
サクサク。
めっちゃ美味しいよ。
めっちゃ美味しい。
めっちゃ美味しい。おすすめです。
おすすめ。Could you give someone just a message to somebody who love to come to Japan?
Come to Japan. There is lots of amazing food. Everybody's very beautifully nice. What I really like about Japan is that you can do so many things by yourself.
Yes.
You can explore the whole of Japan and have so many great experiences by yourself, and it's so safe to do so. And I think that's really, really awesome.
Thanks for the comment. Hope your Japanese is gonna very already actually excellent, but good luck with you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks
Thank
so
you for
much.
having me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thanks for coming to Japan.
No, thank you for having us.
Where are you from?
Manchester.
How far was it?
On the flight, like 14 hours. Too long,
Okay.
but worth it.
Yeah. Is it first time to come to Japan?
Yes. For
Yeah,
me.
I've
For
been
you.
to Tokyo before.
Yes.
I came about 8 years ago.
Why did you buy these sweet potatoes?
Well, we've never tried them before,
Okay.
and they just look really tasty. So,
I'd like to ask how to taste like. So
well, let's find out.
I don't know.
What's it like?
Like-
Really good texture.
Yeah.
Really soft. Inside's
Yeah.
not too sweet.
Yeah,
It's
it's
just-
not too sweet, not too sticky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be really sweet, but
Yes.
just nice. And this one's like the potato cake.
Ooh,
That's really good. Try that.
I'll get that a bit.
Yeah, just like soft and
Yes.
warm and
Yeah.
good.
Could you give out last like a message somebody who love to come to Japan?
There's just so much to look at, so many layers, and somewhere completely different to the UK anyway. So
Thanks so much for the interview. Thanks so much.
Take care.
Where are you from?
We're from Dallas, Texas.
Austin, Texas. Who decided to come to Japan?
Well, it was actually a friend of ours who's not here right now. He turned 30, and
Oh,
so
turned
we
30.
decided to celebrate his birthday by coming here.
Why did you decide to come to Asakusa today?
Well,
Yeah.
the temple is beautiful, and we wanted to get some shopping,
Yes.
so we
Yeah.
decided to go shopping.
Very good. So I wonder what your inside of your
You want to know what's inside? All right. So I have a good friend,
Yes.
kimono top.
Yeah.
And
Kimono.
then,
Yeah.
and then we also went to the fish market.
Okay.
We got the shirt.
Actually very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So could you give just one message to somebody who loves to come to Japan?
Hey, I'm Eric from Texas. You've got to come to Japan. It is beautiful for the culture, the shopping, the food, and the people really are the most friendly people in all the world.
So much fun here. And we're about to go go-karting.
We're going to do the go-kart. Yes, we love Mario Kart.
So where are you from?
We're from Australia, from Melbourne.
Why did you come to Japan?
We come for the Japan Cup, for the
Japan
horse
Cup?
race.
Did you actually bet your money to the?
Yes.
Yeah. So how
He didn't win.
Oh, you didn't. Oh. Why did you decide to come to Asakusa today?
To this area,
This area.
to see
yeah.
the temple.
So how was it?
Yeah, beautiful.
Well, I wonder what you are holding in your hand.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
holding
Yeah.
the peanuts. I saw them making it.
Okay.
They were making it in a stand, and it looked really good. So I
Yeah.
thought I would try. It's just up the end there.
Really?
Yeah.
No, but you have one
Yeah.
too. Here, I
Thanks,
can
mate,
do
thanks.
it. Thanks, mate. So he's got it.
Yeah.
Mate,
Yeah,
that's Australian.
That's
mate.
what I learned in Australia.
There we go.
Here you go.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
welcome.
Yeah.
They are good.
Is it good?
Delicious.
Oh yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Very nice. Thank you for your time.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
Good on you.
オーストラリア人の方です。はい。すみません。Where are you from?
Tokyo.
When did you come to Japan?
yesterday.
Ah, just yesterday.
Yeah.
Is it
From Korea? I
Ah.
came to
Yeah.
Japan. I live in Korea.
How long are you living in Korea?
Actually, 2 months.
2 months.
Ah.
Studying Korean?
I'm learning Korean.
Yes. How long are you staying in Japan?
1 week.
A week?
Just weeks.
Ah,
1
okay,
week.
okay. What do you think about this area of Asakusa?
Actually, I really love there
Yes.
here
Yeah.
because so many beautiful streets and
Yes.
so many beautiful foods.
Yes.
So I
Yeah.
really loved here.
Yeah. Oh, why did you buy this food?
Actually, I don't know this name, but
Yeah.
it is so delicious. It
Yeah.
has matcha ice cream,
Yes.
and it's so perfect. I really love.
Could you give lastly message to some people who love to come to Japan?
You should come Japan. People are so kind and foods are delicious. You should come.
Enjoy your trip.
Arigato.
Thank you. Where are you from?
We're from Chile.
Chile. I wonder what you are wearing.
We're wearing this because we were at a tournament.
What kind of tournament?
Karate tournament.
Karate tournament.
Yes.
So you are both a karate player.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
We're both karate players.
How long have you been playing karate?
8 years.
And 9 years.
Oh, very long time. Did you already finish?
We already finished the
okay.
competition.
What was the result?
We didn't win,
Oh, really?
but we try our best, so
Yes,
it's a good experience.
Yeah,
And we
it is.
had a great time.
Are you gonna go back soon?
Yeah, we're gonna back soon home.
We're leaving tomorrow.
Okay. Did you eat something delicious in Japan?
Yes, ramen.
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 What sort of ramen?
Salt ramen.
Salt ramen.
Salt ramen.
Ah.
It was very good.
We,
Could you give some message to somebody who like to come to Japan?
please be aware of your surroundings. Be aware, yes, and be very respectful to others.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, same.
Could you tell me one word of Chile from your language?
Bacán.
Bacán.
Yes.
Bacán.
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 Yes.
Bacán.
Bacán. What does this mean?
Cool. Something
Awesome.
cool.
Okay.
Awesome.
You are both bacán. Thanks so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Thanks
you.
so much. Thank you. Where are you from?
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles.
When did you come to Japan?
We got here on the 11th.
What do you think about Asakusa here?
It was on my list of places to come shopping because I heard like housewares and kitchenware stuff that it's a good place to come.
What you guys buying here today?
Coffee making supplies, and then here I just bought some like precious for the home. So
Thank you. So this is the one you love coffee.
She's a very good cook. So she does a lot of stuff in the kitchen.
I make lots of different things, but I grew up in Texas, so I make Mexican food a lot, and I'm Chinese, so I make Chinese food.
Lastly, please say something about Japan.
It's amazing. I feel like there's a lot of amenities that are years ahead that I wish we were. Very jealous sometimes.
Obviously in America it's very individual, where here it feels more community based, and that's kind of cool to see. Like when we see people going out and cleaning up, it's like you don't see that in America very often.
It's
been amazing.
It's been fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
And then some of these.
Thanks so much.
Of course.
Yeah, thanks so much. Where are you from?
France.
France. Okay. When did you come to Japan?
Friday.
Friday.
Yeah.
Why did you decide to come to Asakusa?
Because many people tell me that it's very good.
Where did you buy this food?
On this on this street.
Why did you decide buying this food?
I just want to eat. I don't know why, but
okay. Yeah.
I see everybody buy this.
Okay. How's the taste?
The taste. It's good.
It's good.
It's so good.
Really. Thanks so much. Thank you so much. How do I say French in thank you?
Merci.
Merci. Where are you from?
I'm from Utah.
Why did you decide to come to Japan?
Well, I have 3 friends that wanted to go here, and I was like, I'll just tag along. And it's been beautiful. I've been here for 4 days so far.
What do you think about Asakusa, this area so far?
It's been great. I like all the shops. We've gone around, bought a couple things, ate some food. It's very pretty, very different from where I am because usually for where I'm in, I have to drive 5-6 miles to go to any shops or anything like that.
Did you buy something here today?
Bought this watch.
You bought a watch?
Yes.
How much was the watch?
This was like $96. I just liked it.
Yeah.
I like the silver. I like the look of it. So
Seiko, this is a Japanese friend.
I just like how it looked.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Now, lastly, I would like to ask impression about Japan.
Everyone is super nice, like yourself.
Really, thanks so much.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
There's just, it's infinite city. It's just, you just keep going. There's just so much, so much different than what I've been.
Yeah.
So beautiful place.
Thanks for the interview.
Of course, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, how was it? If you know any great shops or spots in Asakusa, please share them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.